everyone, a long time no see. I know it's been like 3 weeks now since I posted a video. It has just been an insane month. My last video, I said that I wanted to start being more consistent with my uploads, and that obviously did not happen. It has just been one of those months where I've been in a bit of a funk. My priorities have been other places with trying to work and pay off medical bills and just bills in general. I've just been working a lot, and so it hasn't given me a lot of time to do what I love, which is this. Just one of those months that have been a little bit harder than other months, so forgive me for not uploading or posting on Instagram or hardly anything lately. I've just been focused elsewhere, but again, I'm gonna try really hard to start posting consistently and get some things up for you guys. I'm actually really excited for a couple things that I have planned. I have a fashion fall haul coming for you guys, and then I also have the Sephora VIB kind of sale little haul that I am going to do for you guys as soon as I get those in this week. So I'm so excited. So today I figured, since it's like the last week of the month, and I have my Boxycharm and my Allure box, I figured I would just go ahead and unbox both of these for you guys today so that they can be up before the month ends so that I'm not unboxing October boxes in November. So I just want to go ahead and get started. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring that notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm and my Allure box for the month of October, then just keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Boxycharm box. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month subscription service, and it sends you beauty items, makeup, hair care, skincare, all of that fun stuff. So, and they do promise you 5 full-size items in each box. I'd say the Boxycharm is like my favorite box out of all the boxes that I get. I've tried a lot of them. If you want to see some of the boxes that I've tried in the past, I'll link my unboxing playlist down below so that you guys can check that out. But for sure, this is my favorite one. So I'm just going to open it on up, and it comes with a little pamphlet. This gives you all the information on the inside. Plus, it looks like a 10% discount to It Cosmetics on the back, which is nice. I'll have any coupon codes, again, in the description box below. And the theme for this month is Alter Ego. So it's pretty cute. And then, like I said, it gives you all the information on the products in the box right here. So I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I got in the box. This is the Dermovia Lace Appeal mask. It's a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. It gives you an intense deep skin detoxification, so I think that's pretty cool. I'll have to try it soon. I do like doing masks. It just is like a little way to pamper myself, especially when I'm having one of those days. And the mask retails for $30 for one mask. That is pretty expensive. So the next thing I'm gonna pull out is this guy right here. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Mine is in the shade Bow and Arrow, which I'm actually pretty happy about. I have the Bow and Arrow lipstick right here, actually, just the actual lipstick of it, and I really like it. It's just this nice, like, cool tone, brown, pinky, taupey kind of color, so I actually really like the lipstick version of this. I've never tried one of Kat Von D's liquid lipsticks before, so I am pretty interested to see how the formula is. So I'll just do a little swatch for you guys. So there it is right there. It is so pretty. It's just a very like pinky brown color. But I like that it's a little bit more cool tone, so then I can pair that with some cool tone looks because I like my cool tone shades. So I'm actually really excited that I got this shade, and the retail value on the lipstick is $20. The next thing I'm gonna pull out looks like a mess. There's just quite a bit of a mess around it. It just looks like it's leaked a little bit, but This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It visibly repairs and strengthens damaged hair and split ends, enhancing hair's re-elasticity, enhancing the hair's shine, softness, and hydration. I could use one of these. In fact, I've been thinking about trying some more of the Briogeo hairline. I've had the mask that I really enjoy. So I've tried that one out a couple times, but I haven't tried this out. So I've been looking for some kind of leave-in conditioner type of a thing. So I'm gonna try this out and see how that goes. And this retails for $16. The next thing I got, this is the Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. I haven't tried this in such a long time, but I did try it a long time ago. Just like a sample size of it. And from what I can remember, I did really like it. So it just looks like this. It's kind of a cool packaging where it's like, you know, hourglass shaped. So I'm not gonna open it because I don't want it to dry out. I just opened a brand new L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. This is by far my favorite mascara. So I'm gonna wait till that is all up and then I will crack into this. But the mascara does retail for $24. And then the last thing in here, which honestly I'm not very excited about. I feel like Boxycharm does a lot of things with Pure, and I feel like every single item that I've gotten from them with Pure, I haven't liked. So I'll honestly probably be throwing this into my little stash of stuff for giveaways. Just because I don't like it doesn't mean that one of you won't, and I want this to go to somebody that could actually use it, that will use it, instead of me just holding on to it and having it collect dust. So here it is right here. It's not a bad palette by any means. It's really pretty. It's just not something that I think that I'll get a whole lot of use out of. So I just want to show you what it looks like without these little things on it so you can actually see it. But this is what it looks like. So you got your kind of like a bronzer, deeper highlight, then you got your highlight and then two blushes over here, and then you got your shadows on the other side. So it's just not colors that I would wear. Like I said, that doesn't mean they're bad. It doesn't mean that, you know, somebody else might not like it. Just for me personally, it's not something that I think that I would reach for a whole lot. So I am just going to put it back in its packaging and throw it in my little box for giveaways. And the palette does retail for $38. So one thing I did just notice is that the Briogeo item isn't full size. It's like a sample size-ish. The full size is 4 ounces and this one is only 2 ounces, so it's half of what you're getting. So the one thing is where Boxycharm says that you always get full size items. This month I did not, so that is a little bit of a bummer. I don't know, and the whole retail value of the box was $128, which is not bad at all considering I only paid $21 for it. But just, I don't know, when they say they're gonna do one thing and then they don't, it's just kind of what drives me a little bit nuts. But overall, I thought this box wasn't bad. I'll definitely get some use out of the liquid lipstick, the mascara, and the hair mask. So that's pretty nice. But the face mask, I mean, I'll use it. That'll just be a one-time use. And then the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and give away to somebody else. So let me know your thoughts on October's Boxycharm down below, and let's move on to Allure. Okay, so here's the Allure box. I'm going to attempt to open this somehow. Okay, so Allure is a $15 a month subscription service, and they also charge tax on top of that. So I think mine comes out to around like 16 something a month. And you basically get sample, deluxe size. Occasionally you get full size items in here. And I actually really like this box. I thought I wasn't going to like it as much as I do, but I quite enjoy it. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So you got a pamphlet again with information inside about the products, and here we go. So I'm just gonna pull out this thing first. Ooh, this is from Hourglass. This is the Caution Mascara. I'm excited for that. So it's just a little sample size of it, but I've heard good things about this, and so I'm excited to try it. It's just a little bitty guy, but you know, it's still pretty cute. So I'm actually really excited to get this. I've completely forgotten what was in this box, so this was a nice little surprise. To get something from Hourglass in this box, I think is a pretty good deal. And the next thing I'm gonna pull out is this. This is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. It's an intense hydration for dry, parched skin. I feel like I have one of these. I really, really love the brand First Aid Beauty. Their cleanser is actually my favorite face cleanser that I have, that I've tried. It makes my skin so soft after I use it, but I really, really like First Aid Beauty products, so I'm sure that I'll love this if I've already tried it. I don't remember. I actually have quite a lot of little samples from First Aid Beauty, so I'll have to look and see if I've tried it before, but yeah, so this is basically just something that can be used head to toe throughout the day. So this isn't just for the face. You can use it on your hands or your elbows or whatever you want to use it for, just any kind of dry skin. So yeah, I will have to give this another go. I'll probably throw it in my purse for a little like hand cream when I need it. So I'm excited for that. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, dang, I feel like I got a lot of stuff this time. Wow. So this is the BKR Paris Water Balm. It's a ultra hydrating glossy lip treatment. I love myself some lip balms. That smells pretty good. I currently use the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and I absolutely love this thing. I use it like every single night, and this makes my lips feel so much better. I have really, really dry lips, so that helps me a lot. But anything to, you know, help a girl out. Ooh, it feels really nice. It feels pretty sticky though, like really, really thick. So I'll have to give this a try and see how I like it. It's just in this cute little thing, so I could also travel with this and throw it in my purse. I do carry like a little crossbody bag the majority of the time, so I feel like I could throw that in there without it being too bulky. So yeah, I'm excited for this. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is the, I don't ever know how to say this, Caudalie? I have no idea. It's the Vinopure Skin Perfecting Serum. It soothes skin immediately and calms redness over time. And it's got moisturizing sodium, oil regulating salicylic acid. I don't know if I'm saying any of that right. So it's ideal for balancing combination skin. It says it clears up flakiness, which is awesome because my nose is so flaky. That'll be nice. The full size of this does retail for $49, so that's quite a penny, but I'm excited to give it a try. And I forgot to mention the prices of those other things. I was just getting so carried away. The full size of the mascara is $29, and that's a pretty pricey mascara. And then the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, the full size is $12 for 2 ounces. And this is 1 ounce, so this is probably about $6. But the 2 ounces is $12 and the 6 ounces is $30. And then the BKR Paris Water Balm, this retails for $22 for the full size. It does look like there's quite a bit of coupons in here. So like I said, again, I'll link that in the description box below. Okay, on to the next one. I still have 3 stuff left in here. I feel like we got a ton. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. This is pretty teeny tiny. But I feel like they've kind of made up for that considering how many items are in this month's box. So a little bit about this. It says it's supposed to make your complexion glowy and dewy. So it says it exfoliates dull, pore clogging, dead skin to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer looking skin. It reduces the look of dark spots, age spots and discoloration for an unnaturally brighter, more even toned skin. So that's pretty cool. So I am excited for this. The full size of it does retail for $105. That is a pretty penny. Okay, the next thing I have, this is the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. It washes away dirt and impurities without stripping the skin. It has French green clay. It pulls out dirt, oil, pollution, and makeup out of the pores, while rice oil esters protect the skin from dehydration. So it says impurities are pulled out, clean hydration is pulled in, formulated as a universal foaming cleanser for even the most sensitive skin. So that's pretty awesome. I've never tried one of Sunday Riley's cleansers. The brand, as you can tell, is pretty expensive, so I've never really dove into there and purchased it. The full-size cleanser retails for $35. So that's not bad. I have so many like little sizes of cleansers like this that I feel like I'm never gonna run out of cleansers. So I like it. Keep it coming, and then I don't ever have to buy any. And I just scratched my chin. Okay, finally, the last thing in here. This is the YSL. It's a matte stain. I got mine in the shade 23. I feel like I've seen a couple people talk about these and they say they really like them. And the full size of it retails for $37. So I don't really ever buy lipsticks that are that much money because that's a ton of money for lipstick. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right here. It seems pretty like watery, like pretty thin, but I actually really like that color. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to try it out. Like I said, I feel like I've seen a couple people say they really like these. So I'll have to give that a go and see how I like it. So that is everything. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this month's box. The fact that we got like 6 items, I think is pretty amazing. I'll have the retail value of the whole box down in the description box below so you can see what my total value was. But I'm pretty excited. I think that this month's box was pretty great. We got a lot of high-end stuff, so I'm really excited about that. So that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you guys leave. I promise I will try to be a lot better with my uploading schedule from now on. So expect some more videos from me this week. Crossing my fingers. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.